Okay, welcome everybody. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I received this box in the mail from a lowly little website out there. I found this rocket right here sitting, I think it was the last one. And these are out of production. They were short run by Estes. And I picked this up because I knew they were getting harder to find. And I was like, you know what? Now I got one. Okay, so let's see what they did with the packaging here. It's not like they did something unique here. Got a little paper here, paper. They put it between cardboard. Hopefully they didn't smash tubes. No, they did not. Look at that, balsa. And this rocket here, guys, is that right there. Is the K-35 Astron Constellation. This is a reissue by Estes. It's an old, I believe it was by Century first. I think Century had this, and then when Estes acquired Century, they did put these guys out. So it's a limited edition, and that is true because they are long gone off the Estes site. You cannot get them there. I happened to find one sitting online, so I was like, let me go on and get it. Assembled in the US, intermediate, 16 inches tall, parachute recovery, cool little rocket. Balsa parts here. Look at that balsa part. You got the balsa fin and little end caps that goes on the fins there. Those are all balsa and balsa nose cone, balsa block right there. Very cool. Small little tube. This is pretty much a quick build. I mean, everything's pretty straightforward. Nose cone, but a very cool design. I do like this payload section there. Flies up to 1,200 feet on a C-67. So I will definitely try to make that happen when I get this guy built. But yeah, just one of those classic ones. K-35 Constellation. So yeah, I found this, like I said, sitting online. If you can find one, get one, because these are out of production. These were a limited edition. It's from the vault. It says from the Estes vault. So yeah, just wanted to share this with you guys. I might take a look at some parts. Let's take a look at some parts today.
Step beyond the ordinary with Above the Surface, a captivating collection of science fiction-inspired drawings by model rocketeer Keith of Model Rockets 321. This zine features striking illustrations that push the limits of imagination and creativity, paired with motivational quotes to inspire and fuel your drive. Whether you're chasing dreams or need some positive words, Above the Surface is here to elevate your journey. Get your copy today while supplies last.
I normally don't open them up and look at them. So I open this one up. Let's do something different. Because then wind up, it's going to be sitting because I got stuff ahead of this. But yeah, let's get down a little lower. And we're going to look at some parts here. So take all these out. See what we got here. See what we got. Let's put our hands on some parts. Yeah, this is a truly vintage and a throwback when you start doing stuff like this. When you start pulling out the old balsa. So yeah, here we got the balsa nose cone. Pretty cool. Just takes a lot of filling. Not a whole lot. Just got to fill that wood grain and sand, fill in sand. Got that coupler there, or block tube. Nice and round. I thought it was going to be kind of squished, but no, it's pretty good. So yeah, everything's good there, good here. So yeah, this will be all one section. Now this had a little screw eye. Got a little screw eye deal. So yeah, nice payload section. Like I said, not a whole lot to this. Let's check this out. I'm looking at some. I always look at my fins, I see little stuff sticking up like that. Yeah. Kind of laser cut, die cut, ready to pop out. But yeah, this is a quick build. I can have this thing built in a matter of minutes. Yeah, not too long. Shock cord, vintage look parachute like the Century one. Engine hook got the little extra tab on it. There's a little piece there, a little wood dowel. What is that wood dowel for? What is that? Oh, standoff for the launch lug. I'm not sure why it has a standoff, but I guess it's just want to add a little extra. Let's take a look at the instructions. Pretty nice. It's a nice reissue, or re-release as I'll call it. Reissue, re-release. So there we go. K-35 Constellation. So yeah, simple build. I mean, here's all your parts here. Launch lug, everything's all classic. normal biz. What are they calling these parts here? I don't know what they're calling these. Pair of fins and yeah, just these little pieces here that you'll add on there. Do you have to shape those or you just build them up? Okay. So you're building those up. I wonder if you got to sand them to get them nice and rounded looking. So they don't show anything. But yeah, this is a super fast build. Super fast. Yeah, really quick build. Most of the work will come in sanding. So the way here you do one fin black, the body's white, red nose cone, got some nice decals. Yeah, then you go out and launch it. Yep, so there's everything there. Yep, real simple. Simple, simple, simple. I want to see the decals. Let's take a look at the decals. I'll show those to you guys. Let's take a look at some decals. At least take a look at the decals. Engine hook, everything can stay in. I don't want to lose. So let's check out, look at some decals. All right. Okay, simple, 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 simple. We got the vintage Estes logo there. 2 new schools there. Got little rectangle pieces that's going to just wrap around the body. Fin numbers, then USA right there. You can see in the artwork they got USA on the above one of the white fins. So yeah, cool. Nice, nice rocket. Has a color scheme of the Alpha, kind of, sort of. So yeah. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. Just wanted to show you this unboxing, real quick unboxing. Got some parts here. I'll put that screw eye in here. I don't want to lose that guy. Throw that in there. But yeah, cool. This is the Estes Constellation. If you can find one, get one. K35. From the old days. Then we have this part here. I didn't show this, or this sheet. Yeah, got your little full fin. That's a fin placement guide right there. Shock cord mount. Got your little fin marking guide. And I do use all this stuff. I can actually photocopy. You want to save these. Sometimes what I will do, I will photocopy this and then just cut out. I'll keep this one. Photocopy and I'll have an extra. So that's something you can do. And I'm looking at these right here. So I think you actually sand these to get them to that shape. Because they always look like you glue them between and I guess you would sand them to shape them. But I didn't see that. I see that in instructions. Let me take another look. Yeah, let's see. Use sandpaper to round the edges and the pieces. Yeah. Yep, so you'll round the leading edges, but I'm not sure about that. Once I get deep into it, I'll see it. 'Cause a lot of times when I'm doing this fast stuff, I miss. But yeah, guys, there you have it. Estes Constellation. We will be getting this guy built. Quick build. Like I said, the paint and filling and all that stuff will take longer than the actual build. So there you have it, guys. 3, 2, 1 here. Subscribe to the channel. Check links below. Later.